Versatility meets performance in the LabStrong Cascade. Type 2 water has never been so simple, accessible, and cost-effective. Easy to install and easy to use. No electricity is needed. Interchangeable cartridges keep maintenance easy. When the resin changes color, you'll know the cartridges need replacing. Tap water goes in and Type 2 pre-treat water comes out. The Cascade's small footprint saves space and comes with an easy-to-read pressure gauge. Upgrade to the quad system for even greater Type 2 water capacity. It's the perfect Type 2 system for your laboratory needs. When you need pure water, choose pure performance. The LabStrong Cascade. Strength through innovation.